Hello student, welcome to my channel Only Computer. Let's start. Today video is for CBSE class 3rd computer syllabus. Okay, now start. First chapter is computer basic. Inside this chapter there are multiple topics. First is introduction to computer. Second, starting and shut down the computer, very important. Third, identify the parts of the computer and their functionality. Means what is the part of the computer: keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, etc. Fourth, identify the keys of keyboard. Means in your keyboard there are the many keys: alphabetic key, numeric key, caps lock, space button, backspace, delete, enter, arrow movement, everything. So you learn in this topic about keyboard. Identify the button of mouse. Also read about, also talk about to the mouse. Mouse has 3 button: left button, right button, and scroll. Precaution to be taken while opening and closing the computer. This is also the important do's and don't of the computer lab. क्या आपको लैब में करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. फीचर्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर. व्हाट इज द फीचर्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर. स्ट्रेंथ एंड लिमिटेशन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. दिस इज द syllabus for chapter 1, basic of the computer. Inside this chapter there are the multiple topics. Now second chapter, using paintbrush. In this chapter we can use paint. This chapter everything is practical. Not any in theory. Everything is practical. So first topic is introduction. What is paint? How to start paintbrush. When we go to lab, then learn how to open the paintbrush. Home tab. Inside the paint software there are the home tab. To learn about this tab: pencil, eraser, fill with color, pick color, brush, airbrush. All these things learn in the paint, inside the paint. Text tool, shape, magnifier. And chapter 3, more in paint. What is about this? Selection, rectangle selection, freeform selection, view menu, zoom in, zoom out, and full screen. Now chapter number 4, about desktop and computer peripheral. Desktop is most important. Desktop use icons. Purpose of desktop. What is the purpose of desktop? Identify icons on desktop. How we can identify the icons in desktop. Start button and taskbar. In desktop, one is start button and the big button is called taskbar. Okay. Then my computer, रिसाइकल बिन. जब आप कुछ भी डिलीट करते हो तो कम्प्लीटली डिलीट नहीं होता है और रिसाइकल बिन में चला जाता है. इनपुट एंड आउटपुट डिवाइस. व्हाट इज द इनपुट डिवाइस एंड आउटपुट डिवाइस? फॉर एग्जांपल, मॉनिटर इज योर आउटपुट डिवाइस, कीबोर्ड इज योर इनपुट डिवाइस, माउस इज एन इनपुट डिवाइस. ओके, दैट टाइप्स. About keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, speaker. Means keyboard is your input device, mouse is also input device, monitor is your output device, printer is your output device, speaker is your output device. मतलब these 3 is output device and these 2 is input device. Now memory devices. What is the memory devices? Primary memory and secondary memory. What is the primary memory and secondary memory? And in this chapter last we learn about the CPU. Full form of CPU, central processing unit. Okay. Now chapter number 4, word processor. First, introduction to word. What this chapter is also maximum practical. What is word processor? Features of word processor, history of word processor, step for starting word. component of word screen, creating new word document, opening and exiting word, editing text in word document, typing text, selecting the text, copy, cut and paste the text, deleting the text and saving the document. Okay, this all about the chapter 5. Now chapter number 6, फॉर्मेटिंग वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट. मतलब आप वर्ड में कुछ भी टाइप कर रहे हो तो कैसे उसको फॉर्मेट करोगे कि वो सिस्टमेटिक लगे, उसको उसके बारे में पढ़ना है. दिस ऑल इज़ मैक्सिमम इन प्रैक्टिकल. तो फॉर्मेटिंग टेक्स्ट, फॉन्ट साइज कैसे फिक्स करेंगे, स्टाइल, हाउ कैन चूज कलर, हाउ कैन डन सब एंड सुपर स्क्रिप्ट, all of things, how we can get bold, italic, underline, background color, numeric and bullets, alignment, change cases, inserting the special character and symbol, insert menu, word art, say the word art, page break, how to break the page, how to insert the images, clip art, shape, text box, page number, date and time. Now last chapter, internet. Today everyone aware with internet. So first is introduction, what is internet, need of internet, requirement for an internet connection, step to open web browser, search engine, what is the search engine, for example Google, Mozilla, Firefox, finding, downloading, saving images, how to find the images, meet how to search the images with the help of search engine, how to download these images and how to save these images. Everything we learn in class 3rd computer syllabus.